This looks like fun. Flying through space. All the way to the moon? Whoa! This is amazing! Hi guys, what are you up to today? You found the pieces of a moon vehicle and you're going to put it back together? Great! Let's start gathering all the parts. Wow, there are lots and lots of pieces. Now it's time to put it all together. Good job, Charlie. You found the wheels. Let's put them on next. Almost finished. What is this, Ed? Whoa! It moved on its own. I think it wants to play chase. Charlie and Billy, do you have anything that could help Ed catch the ball? Jetpacks. Great idea. Now you can catch it. Great job, everyone. Now it's time to have a little fun on the moon. Woohoo! All right. Wow. See you next time, friends. Hi, guys. You look busy today. Whoa, what is that? Oh no, it appears to have crashed. You better go see if you can help. Wow, what a mess it made. Can you guys help fix it? Whoa, it can still fly. What's that, Ed? You have a plan? You want to put it back together and then play ball with it? Okay, let's get started. Great teamwork, guys. Uh-oh, Ed. You and Billy, be careful. Hey, are you guys helping Charlie gather pieces, or are you just playing? These pieces must go on the flying saucer. Let's pick them up. Now let's place them where they go. First, we need an oval. Now a hexagon. A triangle. And that looks like a circle. But wait, it's not the same circle. This one is better. Next up is a diamond. And the last shape is a square. Uh-oh. The circle is still missing. Can you find it? That is a lot of shapes, but no circle. That's better. Billy and Charlie have found several circles, but which one is right? The red one? No. How about the yellow one? No. It must be the blue circle. Perfect. Wow, it's flying again. Amazing. Look, guys, it wants to play with us. Have fun, guys. See you next time.